It's the Canada Day long weekend here in Toronto, and it is screaming hot. It's a heat wave. And one of my favorite drinks to have when it gets this hot is an Espresso Tonic. So here's how you make one. And it looks delicious. All right, so there it is. Oh, hi, Hunter. There it is. Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to, Madison? It looks kind of just like me, doesn't it? Anyways, here's my Espresso Tonic. Get out of there, you wieners. Ice cream. Ice cream? No, Espresso Tonic. Do you want to try some, Madison? Okay, have a sip. Kids love Espresso Tonic. What did you think of that?
Yeah.
You want a sip? Sure. Have a little taste. Espresso and tonic. Did you like it? Ew. Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, I think it's good. Cheers.